Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do TileMap collision for CharacterBody2d whenever you create a platformer game in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So all I have done is that I have just created a Godot game project, and here as you can see I have two assets. One is for player and one is for terrain. So first I just click on this 2D scene. I'll name it as game. Okay, I'll command S to save it. So this will be our base scene, and I'll create a new scene over here, and I'll click on this plus button. I'll search for CharacterBody2d. Then inside that we need to take a sprite 2d, and we also need to take collision shape. Then go to sprite 2d, and you can just drag and drop your sprite to over here. Now if I just zoom in here, you can see it is actually a sprite, so there are a lot of things. I don't want all, I just want one. So I can just click on this. I can go to, I think, animation, and by default I think there are 19 sprites, so I have just counted it. I can make this as 19. So here you can see I'm seeing this one by default. So if you want to change, if you're not happy with this one, you can also change, I think, the frame. So here you can see the frame changes your sprite as well. So also you need to go to project settings and search for textures, and here just make it as nearest. Then close this, go to your collision shape, add I would add just a capsule shape, and here I'll just change the size a little bit, move it like this. So yeah, something like this looks okay. I'll just do command S to save. Then I'll attach one script to this as well, and we don't want this CharacterBody2d basic moment. I'll just keep it as node. I'll click on create. I just want to keep things simple, that's why I'm doing this. But if you feel like doing the other thing, you can do that as well. Also then let's just go to project settings, and here we'll search for 2D physics, and here for layer 1 I'll give the name as platform. Then in collision, so I can just go back to my CharacterBody2d. Here open this collision, and I will off the layer 1, and I'll keep the mask layer 1. So this is for platform, right? So I want to collide this CharacterBody2d with the platform, that's why the mask is kept on for layer 1, but we have turned this mask is kept on for 1 and layer is turned off. I'll just do command S to save it. Now let's write a simple code. So here first I can give it some class name. Yeah, you can give it whatever you feel like. I'll just give it as player. Then here we can also give it gravity. So here I'll just give it as const gravity colon float equal to, and here I'll just give it as 690.0, and here inside I'll just override one more method, func physics process, and here I'll just give it a velocity y, okay, plus equal to gravity multiplied by delta, and here I can just do move and slide. Then we just go, I'll do command S to save, and here firstly we need to add a TileMap layer. So I'll just add a TileMap layer. Then I'll go back to 2D. Inside TileMap layer, here we need to select a new tile set. We'll click on the tile set, then we go to tile set. Over here we drag and drop our terrain, and here just click on yes, so it will automatically create the terrains for us. Then okay, so we have done this. Then you just need to click on this paint tool and just select any one of this. I'll select this one. Okay, I think, why is this not working? I think we have to go to TileMap, sorry about this, TileMap, and here you will have to select this paint tool, and here I'll select this, and here I can just do it like this. Like here I'll just zoom it a little bit in. So here you can create your platforms like this. So I've just created something like this. I'll just do command S to save it again. Then let's add a camera, because this is way to zoom out. So I can just add a, sorry, not over here. I'll click on this plus button. I'll add a camera 2D, and I'll inside zoom, I'll just change the zoom value to 2.3. Then what we can do is we can just click on this move tool and bring our camera down over here. Then we just add our player as well. So here is our CharacterBody2d. Again, I'll just move our player over here as well. Then let's go to the select your TileMap layer, go to physics layers, click on add element, and for collision layer you have to keep it, but uncheck this collision mask. Okay, and what last step is, we need to paint our textures as well. So just go to tile set, select the paint tool, and it depends on you what tile map you have used, what tiles you have used. So here you will first have to click on select a property editor, click on physics layer 0, and here you can see they have given us this shape. So I'll just move it down. So this is the shape, and it kind of matches with the tiles which I'm using. So I can directly do it like this, something like this. Yeah, you got it. If you want to change the shape, you can click on this, click on clear, and yeah, you can click on this, and suppose I can just draw these points, something like this. Then it will create a shape. Then I can click on this particular part to create this. But hopefully you got the point. I'll just clear this out, and I'll just reset to the default shape, which is fine for me. I can click on it like this. So yeah, so it has, I was only using this one, so it has added the collisions as well. So now I can run my application. I'll click on the select current scene, and here you can see my fox was able, or my player was able to land properly on the tile map. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.